Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another banger. All right, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how I was able to secure my CompTia Security Plus certification within a month. I'm fairly new to that cybersecurity field. I wouldn't say IT field, but fairly new to cybersecurity when I was taking this exam, when I was studying for this exam. So for anybody who is a novice or a beginner or in their beginning stages of IT or cybersecurity, this is exactly what I did to be able to pass within a month. So I didn't have a college background. I didn't have any experience in like cybersecurity. My resume was blank. All right. So this is exactly what I did to pass within a month. All right. For anybody who is new to this, let me tell you this. It's going to take a lot of time and dedication, simply because when you're trying to get a certification, that means you're trying to be certified in something, right? So it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be simple. So with me studying, I was spending at least 4 to 6 hours a day studying. Luckily, I make money online, so I have a lot of time to put towards studying for this certification. And if anybody is interested in making money online, my second channel is below. It's called Flip Your Jobs. I teach people how you can apply for jobs and outsource the work, and you kind of keep half the profit and your virtual assistant keeps half the profit. But during my time of studying, I focused on watching Professor Messer videos. I know everybody says it, watch Professor Messer, but they're right. Professor Messer is very keen on not just teaching you, from reading a book or something that may put you, at confusion and things like that, but he shows you visual examples. He shows you audio explanations, and he has a step-by-step playlist on his channel. So you can go on YouTube and type up Professor Messer's Security Plus, and it is 2025, so they have the 701 version out. And yeah, just watch through his playlist, and I try watching at least 10 videos a day to really sharpen like my understanding and knowledge on that topic, as well as I downloaded an app. All right, I'm gonna put the app on the screen right here of which app I downloaded. This is pretty much just gives you quizzes. It's like, even if you don't know the answers, still try as best as you can to understand like what the topic is trying to teach you, because after you click on an answer, it'll tell you underneath why you got it right or why you got it wrong. And I'll repeat the same quiz over and over again till I understood it. All right. Next, I would say focus on vocabulary and examples. Okay. The main thing you really want to understand is the terminology, because if you don't know the terminology, you know nothing, right? So you want to understand the terminology, and not just that, you want to understand the examples of the terminology, because it's one thing to know something and it's another thing to actually take action and know how to do something. So I can tell you the definition of what networking is, but how do you actually create labs or different environments for networks? How do you create firewalls, or how do you defend a network, right? That's way different. So understanding the terminology and the examples takes you a very long way. Last but not least, all right, we talked about watching Professor Messer videos. Make sure you're getting a visual understanding and an audio understanding. We also talked about doing quizzes, because taking a test is one of the highest forms of retaining information, but the highest form of retaining information is also to teach. All right. You don't really hear people say that when they're talking about how they secured their Security Plus certification, but go teach somebody. Go teach your mom, go teach your brother, go teach your girlfriend, go teach your boyfriend or whoever. Even if they're not interested in the field, if you go and teach them and tell them what you learned today, you'll retain the information better. All right. So, also, if you go to the CompTia website, they also have resources that you can download so you know exactly which topics and how many questions is going to be on that test per topic. So go to CompTia's official website, Security Plus, and actually see the different topics and the things you need to be studying. That's another thing too. But all in all, professor mentor videos, take quizzes, and really just teach people what you learned, because that's the highest form of retaining information. If you combine all 4 of these things that I taught you today, you'll really be able to do good on this test within your first try. It took me 2 times, but I took the test back to back. So in the beginning of the test, they have these hands-on questions, and I was taking way too long on these hands-on questions. So it kind of took up a lot of my time. So as I was going through the test, I still had like 15 questions left, so I had to hurry up and try to, skip through and hurry up and try to, guess through the last 15 questions, and I didn't do good my first time. So the second time that I took it, I skipped the first 5 questions that were like the hands-on, the interactive questions, and I did the multiple choice first, and whatever time I had left, I came back to those 5 questions to spend a little bit more time on. I think it was like breaking down, it was like different network questions about routers, DCHP, things like that. So I took a little bit more time after I took all the multiple questions. So that's pretty much how I got my Security Plus certification within a month. Make sure you follow me for more gems, more sauce, and see you in the next video. Peace.